Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. Here in settings, go to connections. And connections, you can see the Wi-Fi, and on the right side you can see the switch button. To turn on the Wi-Fi, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the Wi-Fi. To connect the Wi-Fi, you'll have to do is tap the Wi-Fi. And here you can see the available network, okay? For my example, I select this Wi-Fi network and you can enter the password to connect the Wi-Fi. And also, you can scan the Wi-Fi network by tap the Wi-Fi icon scanner on the upper right side on your screen to scan the Wi-Fi network using QR code, okay? And okay guys, that's it to connect to Wi-Fi. And okay guys, you can turn off again by switching off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off. And also, we have the second option to turn on or off the Wi-Fi. Okay, you'll have to do is slide from top to bottom to see the Wi-Fi icon. Okay, tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn on. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on. To turn off again the Wi-Fi, you'll have to do is tap again the Wi-Fi. And we have successfully turned off. And that's it. We have successfully turned on or off Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.